How to enable notification in Amex. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on the notification. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. So here in your settings interface, here on the bottom, you'll be able to see the option called configure boost notifications. So simply tap on it. So this is the section where you can enable notification. So there are different subcategories too. So you can select the one that you need and unselect the one that you don't need. So you can do the same for everyone, and at last simply tap on this apply button. So as you can see, it has been applied and only the specific notification will pop up. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.